Hi friends, welcome back to Tia's at the Red California. Today's meal prep is going to save you so much time. I am making 4 one-pot recipes, a full week of balanced and clean meals for just $35 to $45.
We are making 4 one-pot recipes, step by step, multitasking everything so you finish first. Let's start the timer. It's 1:45 p.m.
We are starting with baked oats because they take the longest.
I am using banana as a natural sweetener here. Plus, it adds fiber, minerals and makes the oats really soft. Now bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Look at this. Doesn't it look like a dessert? Yes, healthy dessert in the form of breakfast. This is high fiber, naturally sweet and lasts beautifully for the entire week. I like to have this with some Greek yogurt. And my son likes to add some maple syrup too.
Next is my one-pot chicken pasta with a special magic sauce.
I always start by chopping the veggies for my magic sauce. The goal is to hide as many vegetables as I can. This works amazingly for the picky eater in my home. Today I am using seasonal pumpkin along with onion, garlic and tomatoes. I roast everything, then blend it with simple spices. And this turns into the creamiest, healthiest pasta sauce. I am gonna add more vegetables in my pasta. I am using zucchini and bell peppers, but you can add any vegetables that you like. Now let's quickly marinate the chicken with salt and pepper. This all goes into a baking dish. Add salt, chili flakes, oregano, dried basil, feta and olive oil, and we are ready to bake. Time check, it's 2:15 p.m. Pasta is in the oven, oats is ready, so let's multitask and start the khichdi. This is my easiest one-pot high-protein khichdi. Rinse everything, chop the vegetables and then add in one pot. Add the spices, hot water and cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. And by that time it cooks, see, our pasta is ready.
Pause or screenshot the recipe card.
And our khichdi is ready too.
This quinoa khichdi is my comfort recipe.
Our last meal is this fragrant green fish and rice bowl. It tastes restaurant level, but it's insanely simple. I am making a super fresh green sauce. clean, aromatic and packed with flavor. It smells amazing already. Coat your fish with a little seasoning and few spoons of that green sauce. Nothing fancy, just simple, real flavor. Now sear your marinated fish for a few minutes on each side until it's golden and tender. Don't forget to add the green sauce, that will make it soft. Then take it out and keep it aside. And here is the fun. We are using the same pan. All those flavors stay right here. Adding mixed vegetables, rice, a little salt and the rest of the green sauce. Pour in water, give it a mix and let it simmer. Finish with some freshly squeezed lime juice. And that's it! Fresh green rice topped with pan-seared fish, clean, herby, high protein and honestly so satisfying. It reheats beautifully through the week too.
And here is the rice bowl card. Super simple.
Time check, 2:55 p.m. All 4 meals done, right around the 1 hour mark. We made baked oats for breakfast, pasta, khichdi and green rice bowls. A full week of clean eating, all in one pot, and it cost around $45.
I hope this helps you eat clean without spending extra time or money. If you want a full high protein meal prep next week, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Indian inspired healthy meals. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, healthy and positive. Bye bye.